Gemini, this is Bonnie from Calling on Angels 1111. I'm an intuitive psychic medium and a tarot card reader. I'm here to give you a general love reading for the collective sign of Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and cross watchers are always welcome. If this reading resonates, I'm going to ask that you please give the video a thumbs up, and if you can, leave me a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. If the reading doesn't resonate, or maybe only parts of it do, just take what resonates, leave the rest. It's just for another Gemini that's watching. This is a reading for the collective. If you are looking for something more personal and private, all of my information can be found down below in the description box. I am still holding a free giveaway for somebody within the first 100 subscribers to the channel. So another reason to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up and leave a message down below. All the information regarding this, again, is in the description box. Take a look at that. What you're looking at here is the overall energy. You've got a lot more cards simply because a lot more flew out. And we will pull cards for your person. We will take a look at their intentions, the unknown, and some best advice. And then we will see about feelings and something they'd like to say to you. Now, to get started, on the bottom of the deck here, we have the Judgment card, and Judgment is major for Libra. We have the Eight of Pentacles, working diligently and very hard. We got the Hierophant, that's major Taurus energy. And we have the King of Cups. The King of Cups is representative of Pisces. He is a mature leader, natural born leader, full of love, emotionally intelligent, and available. Now, what's going on here? Not sure with your heart chakra. I'm thinking that for some of you, your heart chakra is blocked. We see the Ace of Cups. That's a new beginning in love. However, in the reverse, it's saying that your heart might not be open to love. Maybe you were hurt. Something's happened in the past that closed it off. And you need to do some soul searching. There is the Hermit. He's major Virgo energy. You need to do some soul searching. Go within and see what you need to do to fix yourself, okay? We gotta always work on ourselves before we can ever help somebody else. Now we see the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands is a passionate queen. She gets things done. She loves to help other people. And what we see next is the Ten of Cups. That's an abundance of love between these two. We've got both the King and the Queen of Wands. Wands energy, that is always Aries, Leo, Sag. So this person may be a fire sign. I'm not sure, or just maybe have a lot of fire in the chart, or maybe your chart does. The Ten of Cups, that's one of 4 cards that is about leveling up in commitment in a relationship. You see the couple there with children in the house, and they're happy. They've got an abundance of love. Now, when we see the King and Queen, and they are looking at each other, instead of, sometimes they come out this way, which isn't good, but here they are looking at each other. That is a divine pairing. That is usually something fated. Judgment can be that. Fated and destined relationships. Now you see the Page of Cups, so they are coming at you with a message of love. So I'm hoping you've done your work here so that you can be open to a new beginning in love. All right, what a beautiful start. Now let's pull cards for your person. All right, I'm almost not sure what to say about your person's energy. These cards are indicating that they may have missed the boat. They may have missed the opportunity, either with you or with with something else. They've been waiting for this ship to come in, yet the Ace of Pentacles is in the reverse, saying they've missed it. Now, it could also have something to do with the fact that your heart chakra was closed and blocked. So it may be that they tried to come in during that time and you rebuffed it, and it hurt them tremendously. They have a very broken heart. Also could have been because there was another person involved. The number 3 and 3 swords can indicate that. Doesn't always have to be a person though. It can be a job or a family member or a friendship or, you know, a need to travel. I don't know. There's always something. Doesn't have to be another individual. So they may have missed it, but they have finally stepped back. They're regrouping right now, gathering their thoughts and feelings, sleeping on it, and trying to heal a little bit. On the bottom of the deck, I thought it was interesting that there's your card, the Lovers. That's a Gemini Major Arcana card, so you are present here. We have the 4 of Pentacles, which is about keeping things close to your chest. The King of Cups again. Now that was out earlier. Anytime a card is shown more than once, it indicates it needs to be there. And the 8 of Wands, which is about movement in a relationship. So I would like to clarify before we look at anything else. This person, angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance. May I have clarification on that 3 of Swords, please? Why is the 3 of Swords present here in their energy? Thank you, angels and spirit guides, for your help and your guidance. Yeah. Angels and spirit guides, thank you for your presence and guidance. Why is the 3 of Swords there? Why? Give us more clarification. May I have clarification on the 3 of Swords, please? Thank you, angels and spirit guides, for your guidance. Okay, I heard a couple things there. Okie dokie. We have the 8 of Cups. You walked away or they walked away. Decided it wasn't working and you left. However, he's in the reverse, which means they're coming back or you're coming back, depending on how this played out. And there you are again, the Lovers card. This is about you and this person splitting, which broke their heart, and then coming back together. All right. I'd like to also clarify, angels, that Ace of Pentacles in the reverse, please. Why is the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse? Oops. Okay. Okay, I understand. This makes perfect sense. All right. A missed opportunity because somebody was all alone. They had warded themselves off. You set their boundaries so high and ready to defend them, they wouldn't let anybody else in. That's exactly what I said earlier. Your heart chakra was blocked. You rebuffed. You wouldn't let anybody else in. That hurt them tremendously. You walked away, or they walked away at that time. But there you are again, coming back. I love it when the story makes sense. All right, let's move into intentions. Angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance. Please give us this person's intentions toward Gemini. Looking for this person's intentions towards, whoa, No, that's an explosion. We're not going to do explosions. One card at a time, please, angels. Thank you for your guidance. We're looking for this person's intentions towards Gemini. Intentions towards Gemini, please. All right, well, we have the Page of Cups. That's a message of love. What are this person's intentions towards Gemini, please? Oh, they think you're a soulmate. That's the Two of Cups is soulmate energy. We also got Major Leo. We have the Strength card and Judgment. Major for Libra. Interesting. So they really believe you're soulmates. Anything else on intentions, angels and spirit guides? Thank you for your guidance. Anything else on intentions? Anything else on intentions here, please? No? Okay. So they're going to send you a message of love. They believe you're soulmates. There's a lot of strength behind this, and they want to resurrect everything. Okay. Angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance. Please give us the unknown here. What is it Gemini doesn't see? Something we don't see. What is unknown here? Looking for the unknown. We've got the Hangman. Getting a new perspective on things. Sometimes stepping into another person's shoes to see what it's like. Can represent some sacrifice for the greater good. Looking for the unknown, angels. Thank you, angels and spirit guides, for your guidance. We're looking for the unknown. Looking for the unknown still. Spirit guides, thank you for your guidance. We're looking for the unknown. Angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance. What doesn't Gemini see? Whoa. Okay. No, we don't do. Man, they're trying to get something out, but it's not working. All right. Angels and spirit guides, I need one card at a time, please. Looking for the unknown here. What is the unknown for Gemini? We thank you for your guidance and presence here. Thank you, angels and spirit guides. Looking for the unknown. Okay, there we go. All right, let's push this up so you can see. We have the Hangman. We have the King of Swords, but he's in the reverse. And we have the Empress. All right. Still looking for the unknown. We have somebody either sacrificing a little for the greater good or getting a new perspective on things. Something flipped. King of Swords. Oh, we have Chariot here. All right. Well, the Empress is Taurus and Libra, right here. Hangman is Pisces. Chariot is Cancer. So we have a lot of people involved here. Hangman can be about sacrificing for the greater good. Okay, that's something that I'm hearing. It can also be about getting in someone's shoes, taking a peek at what things are like from their perspective. King of Swords in the reverse can be a little unruly, all up in their head, not using any sort of emotion, can be very cold in their actions. The Empress, the divine feminine, the wife, the mother, the caretaker, she is the mother of the queens. She's a beautiful energy of growth. And then we see the Chariot. Now, I think this came out earlier. Chariot is about movement forward. They are really intent on moving forward. All right, angels and spirit guides, may we have the best advice here? What is the best advice for Gemini, please? Looking for the best advice. What is the best advice for Gemini here? Best advice. Best advice, please. Angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance and presence. Yeah, best advice for Gemini, please. Angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance and presence here today. And I got the best advice for you, Gemini. Okay. We've got the King of Wands. Now, this, no, that's Gemini in that group. King of Wands is a passionate man. Remember, not gender, we're talking energy here, male energy. Thank you, angels. We're looking for the best advice here. So it flipped, something flipped. The Page of Swords, a message of truth and clarity. So maybe you're sending, they're saying, send a message of truth and clarity. Use your passionate leadership skills. Looking for the best advice still. Best advice for Gemini, please. We're still looking for the best advice, angels and spirit guides. Thank you for your guidance. What did we get? We got the Five of Wands in the reverse. Okay, that's good. Five of Wands is a card of conflict in the upright, conflict and possibly even competition. In the reverse, it is offering solutions. So they're saying, offer some solutions. Give them send a message of truth and clarity, offering solutions. Angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance. May we have any more best advice for Gemini, please? Best advice for Gemini. Again with the Eight of Wands, this is moving fast. We had the Eight of Wands on the bottom of the deck, and I think it came out earlier. All right, so there is a real push to move this forward. And the angels are saying, go ahead and move it forward. Nice energy. All right, we're going to pull cards. I need another deck. We can use this one though. We didn't pull that many. Okay, angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance. May we have this person's feelings towards Gemini. Now, remembering we had soulmate card come out, so there's love. Looking for their feelings towards Gemini here. May we have their feelings, please, towards Gemini. What is this person feel towards Gemini? Oof, okay. We got the Six of Cups. We've got the Strength in reverse. That's Leo energy. The Six of Cups is a card of the past. Nostalgia. They are feeling nostalgic. They're looking back and feeling all the love and seeing the good memories. And they're not feeling super strong about it. All right. Let's go for something this person would like to say to you. Angels and spirit guides, thank you for your guidance. I'll give it a little shuffle here. Can you please give us something this person would like to say to Gemini? What would they like to say to Gemini, please? I want you so badly. Oops. Okay, I caught it. I watch your social media. Okay, I don't know why this happened. Don't dismiss the red flags here. It's a warning card. So keep that in your mind, angels and spirit guides. Something this person wants to say. Okay. I daydream about a life with you. I am waiting patiently. All right. Well, this is interesting. Gemini, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you during the week. Remember, only take what resonates. This is a reading for the collective. So if you want something more personal and private, take a look at my information below and give me a contact. Just leave what doesn't resonate. It's only for another Gemini watching. But do check your natal chart. Take a look at your moon sign. That's all about how you feel, your emotions. And then your Venus, which is how you show up and operate in relationships. And of course, always your rising sign. That's how other people see you. And sometimes that can be very different from what you think. You'd be surprised. All right, I hope you have a blessed week this week, and please take some time to listen for the whispers of your angel.